Hey guys, now I will show you how to reset factory settings in TP-Link TL-WR841NY router. This is the best way to hard reset TP-Link Wi-Fi router. A hard reset will restore your device to factory default settings. At first, power on your TP-Link router. The startup procedure takes about 1 minute. When the startup procedure is complete, the internet LED lights green or orange. For these models, we could see WPS reset button on the rear panel, the front panel. Push the reset button for at least 10 seconds until the system status LED becomes quick flash from slow flash. Then release the button and wait for the router to reboot to its factory default settings. When the light stop flashing, reset process is completed and you can configure all TP-Link router settings from the beginning. The default IP address domain name can be found at the bottom label of the product, and the default login username and password, both are admin, all lowercase. Click the end screen to configure your TP-Link TL-WR841N Wi-Fi router. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.